Hi, my name is Mitch McDonald. I'm here at the Toronto Boat Show, and this is the soft launch of Sealver wave boats in Canada. We have our three models. We have the 525, the 444, and the 656. And the boat was originally manufactured in France. It's been around for about 10 years now, and we're proud to bring it to the Canadian market and be manufacturing it in Quebec now. So these two boats are French models with the French seating and everything. And then if we move over here to our new 656, this is our Canadian prototype out of our Canadian shop. We have upgraded cushions, fusion sound system, bimini, monster tower, and we can take in Sea-Doo, Yamaha, Kawasaki as old as 2009. It's a very quick attachment and detachment system that happens in about 30 seconds. You can just simply press two buttons at the back of the boat with the straps and release the jet ski by hitting reverse. And then it's simple hook and one click and you're back in and away you go. It can hit a top speed of anywhere between 70 and 85 kilometers an hour depending on what Yamaha or Sea-Doo you have.